In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for real estate. If you're looking to streamline your real estate processes and elevate your task management, Trello is a fantastic tool to get you organized and keep track of your evolution all in one place. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to Trello.com. Once the website is up, you'll see options to log in. If you've already got an account, you can log in using your credentials, whether through Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. You also have the option to enter your email address, so pick whichever method is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, locate the login button on the upper right hand corner to finalize the process. This step is straightforward, but if you have any trouble logging in, be sure to check that you're using the correct email and password combination. After you've successfully logged in and reached your main Trello page, you'll want to navigate to your workspace. There, look for the board option. This is where all the magic happens. Clicking on board is your gateway to creating the organized environment for managing your real estate projects. Now it's time to create a new board. Find the create a new board button and click it. Think of this board as your blank canvas, where you'll lay out all the aspects of your real estate tasks and projects. The board will be the backbone of your task management system. Next, to make things a bit easier and more structured, consider starting with a template. Trello offers a plethora of templates to get you started quickly. Click on Start with a Template to explore various pre-made layouts. Once you've done that, it's time to explore the templates. You'll find that Trello offers several tailored solutions for different needs. To narrow it down, use the search bar and type in Real Estate Organization. This will bring up specific templates designed to enhance your workflow within the real estate sector, making your job significantly more manageable. After you find a template that appeals to you, go ahead and click Use Template. This will integrate the layout into your board, allowing you to customize it to suit your specific needs and preferences. Having preset lists and task cards can provide you with a strong foundation upon which to build your projects. And there you have it, you've now set up Trello for your real estate needs. From here you can add tasks, track progress, and make useful notes. It's an efficient way to keep everything organized and to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Hope this tutorial empowers you on your real estate journey. Thanks for watching and happy Trelloing.